You excited? Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to the Discovery Children's Museum here in Utah, and I'm so excited because this being a place that we always planned to go, and today we have a big reason to go because they're celebrating the B Day. Actually, we have so much fun and you guys going along with us. So let's go.
I see a light in your eyes. I follow you so damn foolishly. You'd be the sweetest goodbye. Give me a heart trip exclusively. Take one step like this song in my head. It makes sense if you drop me.
Excited. Let's go.
You'd feel the gravity of my heart. If I could, I would give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in too soon. Colliding like celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh.
Let him go. If I could, I would give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in too soon. Colliding like celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do. Cause I'm not gonna let you slip away, I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? When you talk or listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own. It's really easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? Fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love?
Alright guys, we're here at the Discovery. Got a huge and just a ton of things that a lot of kids can have a lot of activities with. So obviously they have like Legos, balls, just all these water stuff. Got a farm, bunch of stuff that they can just play with, interact with. Grocery store, grab some groceries, ring up their food. Mechanic area, work on a car. And we basically just barely walked in, so we're gonna keep going along, but let this little guy just go and have fun.
I see a light in your eyes. I follow you so damn foolishly. You'd be the sweetest goodbye. Give me a heart trip exclusively.
Take some bananas and
Take one step, like this song in my head. It makes sense if you jump in my bed. I see the truth in your smile. I gotta swim to the I love you. We don't wanna spend this night alone. Messed up, I'm gonna walk you home. You'd feel the gravity of my heart. If I could, I would give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in too soon. Colliding like celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies.
It's a funny way for your kids to play and learn in the same time. Like Asha is just, he doesn't know what to do with so many things that he likes to do, like letters, numbers, water, and he's just having so much fun. So if you want to bring your kids to a place that you can have fun and you also your kids can learn, I think this is the perfect place. 1, 2, 3.
If you jump in my bed, I see the truth in your smile. I gotta swim to the I love you. We don't wanna spend this night alone. Messed up, I'm gonna walk you home. You'd feel the gravity of my heart. If I could, I would give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in too soon. Colliding like celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies, celestial bodies, oh, oh. Celestial bodies, celestial bodies, oh, oh.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do. Cause I'm not gonna let you slip away, I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love?
So I'm gonna talk to you guys about something that you can do here. Summer camp. I think this is one of the best choices. They have a lot of activities. Your kids gonna get busy and gonna learn. They are gonna learn in the same time. They will have fun. So they have the summer camp here. And don't forget, I'm gonna link everything in my description box so you guys can get to know more about this place. You can get a membership. You also can do your kids' birthday party here. So I think me and TJ were talking, and maybe next year we're gonna do Asher's birthday party here. Yeah, today is a Saturday. Even they have the event, it's not so busy, so it's like perfect. Every Sunday they have a discount, so you guys can come to. And for sure we're gonna come back.
There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love?
Flower. Yeah. Say this, please.
Okay, do you want to go sit by one of the pots over there? Can you make a little hole in the middle of your dirt?
Look how. So
That's okay. Oh, that's perfect. That's totally fine. That's what we do here. We have the kids play in the dirt, the water in it.
That's awesome. That's why they love it.
Make a hole.
Can you make a hole like this? Nice job. So can you take these seeds and put them in that little hole? They grow with the flowers. Now the flowers are for the honeybees. So they
Gotta be around.
Yeah. They can cover it up with dirt.
Cover like this. Take the dirt over in the middle.